Hello children, we are going to start with a new chapter and the name of the chapter is Animal Adaptations. So if you see this slide, you can see very cute animals are pasted on it. They are giraffe, bear, elephant, monkey, tortoise, crocodile. Yeah, animals are very cute and we are going to deal with many things in this chapter. So if you see in this slide, there are pictures of a frog, a zebra, a bear, a whale. Now, if you see, each one of them is found in a different habitat. Like frogs can live on land as well as in water, while zebra and bear are terrestrial animals, that is, they live on land, while bear are also found in snowy regions, while whales are aquatic animals. So, animals that are able to live in varied habitats, they have developed different modes of movement, breathing, feeding habits, body coverings. So, let us study all these in detail. So, in this presentation, we are going to study movements in fish, movements in insects, movements in amphibians, movements in reptiles, movement in mammals, and movement in birds. So broadly, the animal kingdom is divided into two on the basis of presence of or absence of backbone. So here you can see in this slide there are pictures of a fish, a bird and a dog. And the prominent common feature which we observe is the presence of the vertebral column or the backbone. So they are basically the vertebrate animals and we are going to study the characters of vertebrates. Now we are going to see few prominent characters of vertebrates. The vertebrates are characterized by the presence of a backbone. It is also called a spine or vertebral column. The endoskeleton is made up of bones or cartilage. A cranium or skull encloses and protects the brain. And generally the vertebrates have two pairs of limbs. And these limbs are attached to the endoskeleton with the help of limb girdles. So these are few prominent characters of vertebrates. Animals with backbone are further divided into groups like fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Due to presence of the vertebral column, they are called vertebrates. Now this slide represents the invertebrates. So in this slide you can see some examples like sponge, planaria, earthworm, butterfly, starfish. So basically animals such as insects, crabs, snails and octopuses do not have a backbone. So the group of animals which do not have backbones, they are classified as invertebrates. So now the prominent characters of invertebrates are they do not have a backbone, absence of endoskeleton is observed, and brain is not well developed. So the word invertebrates itself suggests that there is an absence of backbone and so they are called invertebrates. Now basically animals move from one place to another for various reasons. The prominent reasons are they move in search of food, to build or find shelter, and to escape from enemies. So basically these are the prominent reasons for which the animals move from one place to another. Now when we speak that animals move from one place to another for reasons like in search of food or to build or find shelter or to escape from enemies, they require some organs to move from one place to another basically. So they have limbs or other body parts which help them to move. This ability or the ability to move from one place to another is called locomotion. And animals show movements as well as locomotion. So now we are going to discuss about the different movements that are seen in different animals. We have seen that animals move about to look for food, water and shelter, to escape from danger and also to find a mate to have young. So the different kind of movements are like some animals can fly. So the examples are pigeon, dragonfly, ladybird, fly or eagle. Then there are animals which can walk and run. So the examples are rhinoceros, cow, tiger, elephant, giraffe. Some animals can swim. So those are the aquatic animals found in water. So they are shark, eel, whale, sea lion and goldfish. While there are some animals which crawl. So the examples given here are crocodile, lizard, crab, turtle, tortoise, etc.